In this tutorial, I'll show you how to show the quick smoke's hidden flame in a final render image. Let's select the cube, and press F3 to look for quick smoke. There is the default smoke simulation. We can see the smoke in both Eevee and Cycle's render preview, but we won't be able to see the flame, even after we add one. We must assign a color for the flame first. Notice how we can only see the cube in the Cycle's render preview. This flame won't appear no matter what we try unless we do something in the node editor. We can only see the smoke, not the flame. Let's go to the node editor. Increase the blackbody intensity to make the flame visible. Now we can see the flame in the render preview, and it will also appear in the final render image. Please experiment with the flame settings to make the best looking flame animation result. We can also increase the domain size like this. We can even rotate it, but this change is only an illusion. Meaning we have only stretched the domain to make it look longer. In reality, the flame is not that long. Let's change the resolution to 64 and bring it back to the default 32 to see what would happen. This is the actual flame size. The longer flame illusion occurred, because I have stretched the domain size. To make it burst longer like jet flames, then we need to change the flame settings manually. These are the actual flame settings. Now the smoke is gone. This is the actual size of the flame after changing the settings. The flame will travel within the domain, so we can create cool-looking domain shapes for the flame to burst fast within the domain. There are a lot of settings to explore, so please experiment with them to get the best looking result. Sometimes, after making some changes, the flame will disappear and won't appear again. When that happens, go to the cache section below, and bake the flame animation again. To bake the animation, we must change the type to all, and use the Bake button below. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.